Alright, so straightforward tayo. Real talk lang, guys. So this is why I think funded challenges or engaging in any prop firms are nonsense. What is good, mga champion, and welcome back to another video. Alright? So, kayo ba ay nagbabalak maging funded trader or engaging into funded challenges na ino-offer ng mga prop firms? So, take note, just a disclaimer, this is just based on my personal opinion. You may agree or disagree. So, ito yung mga bagay why I think these funded challenges are just plain nonsense. Okay? So, number one, again, everything is all about business. Everything is all about transactions. Okay? So, come to think of it, if you understand the money game in everything, where the money flows, okay, the number one thing that these firms take advantage of is they take advantage of people's weakness, and that is greed. Okay? On top of greed, people have the tendency, it's a human nature, to have and make more money in an easy way and to want and make more money in a fast way. So again, there is a demand for them. So again, kaya hindi ba kayo nagtataka, nagsulputan to mga prop firms. Okay? So again, this is just based on my personal opinion, but same goes with Forex trading. Okay? So based on statistics, numbers don't lie. 90% of traders lose money during the first 3 months. Okay? Or even the first month. And the first 3 months, most of them quit. Okay? So bakit? Kasi by nature, people are greedy. People want to make money fast. People don't do their homework, research, study, gain more knowledge, experience before diving into this financial industry. So again, these firms take advantage of that. Okay? So hindi nyo napapansin, everything is all about psychology. Whenever I teach my students, I always emphasize, and una sa mga lesson namin, I always touch up on trading psychology. Okay? Why you want to dwell into this Forex trading industry. And in relation to our subject for today, why do you want to be a funded trader? Okay? I understand that the main reason is wala kang malaking capital to trade and make more money. I do understand that. But nevertheless, you have to question, okay, how many people you think have done it, okay, in the first try dun sa funded challenges na yun? Less than 1% or even less than 2%. Okay? I don't know the numbers exactly, but nevertheless, is a quite low percentage when it comes to being successful on the first try of the challenge. Okay? Second thing, how many people think, have done it on the second, third, fourth, fifth tries? Diba? Less than 5%. Okay? So numbers don't lie. Okay? 90 to 95% don't make it in this series of tries from first to third or fourth or fifth tries ng funded challenges. Okay? So again, if you're going to analyze these things, these firms take advantage of people's weaknesses and they make money out of that. Diba? Kasi bakit? You have to pay certain fees. Again, magbabayad ka na naman, back to zero ka naman, okay, back to zero ka na naman, you have to do the challenge all over again at a certain time period. But again, the whole point of this funded trading challenges is for them to accumulate more money from the subscription fees, from the funding challenge fees. Okay? So in addition, before you can make it to be paid or to have a payout, you will have to go through a rigorous process of verification, diba? Bago ka pa makapag-payout. Some of them can take as long as 90 days before you can withdraw your earned money dun sa inyong split. Okay? Again, the normal funded challenge split is about 80-20. So 80% sa'yo and 20% dun sa ating prop firm. Okay? But think of it. Do you think the prop firm wants you to be successful and always win in the market? Okay? Although they have this small percentage of win, but nevertheless, okay, it's all about you losing on the first, second, third, fourth try because you have to pay them all over again. So that accumulates to how many people are greedy to be engaged in this prop firm industry at the same time dun sa funded challenge. Okay? So again, sabi ko nga, in relation naman dun sa Forex trading, same thing. Okay? So, people tried na pasukin tong industry to without doing any research sometimes, and just by spending too much on money machines or tinatawag natin EAs, okay, signal services, copy trading, all of that are just simply these people na nag-i-invite sa inyo are just making money out from you, okay, because they thought, okay, na you are greedy. At the same time, you want to make money fast, you want to make it more easy on your side, but nevertheless, I always emphasize, no one will make millions for you, okay? There are some people na naging successful from this field na, okay, na naging successful sa mga EAs, this and that, but again, numbers don't lie. The percentages are very low, okay? People, most of the time, will lose in these fields, in these services na ino-offer nila. Okay? Kaya ako, what do I offer? Okay? I offer education. Mag-aral kayo, guys. Aralin nyo muna. It doesn't have na magkaroon agad kayo ng mentor. Okay? You can do your own research. Bumili kayo ng libro. Okay? Mag-trade kayo on your own. Do trial and error. But nevertheless, okay, it's all about the experience. The reason people are being successful is through the hard work, the challenges, at the same time, yung experience na nakuha nila. So, not everything ay makuha natin ng madalian. Okay? You have to exert effort and patience lalo na sa mga bagay niyan. So, take note, I do respect everyone that offers EAs na products, okay? Signal services. Hindi ba kayo nagtataka? Majority naman nag-offer ng mga to are marketing agents, not even traders, okay? Some of them are networking traders. Networker na naging trader bigla, okay? Think of it, okay? So, kaya, again, you have to check everything at the same time. You have to question everything, okay? So, the reason I'm saying this is I don't want the people fail and I don't want the people be scam or lose money, okay? So, I always encourage everyone, do your own homework, mag-aral. Alamin nyo muna, mag-research kayo, okay? Kung sa tingin nyo, kailangan nyo ng guidance, then it doesn't have to be me. Pumunta kayo sa iba't ibang high-paid courses. More than 100K pesos of services na ang ituturo ay basic support and resistance. Okay? Pumunta kayo dyan. Okay? Nothing wrong with that as long as you do your own diligence of research at alam nyo yung makuha yung value sa kanila. Again, in relation naman sa prop firms, the second thing that I think why this prop firm and this funded challenges are nonsense. Number 2 is, don't think that your account na minamanage as a fund trader is permanent. Okay? With everything that is happening right now in the prop firm industry, malalaking prop firms, naglalaho parang bula, permanently shut down. Okay? Suddenly, you will receive a message or an email that you will not be able to access your account. So, we'll contact you back, this and that. So, in short, okay, temporary lang lahat ng yun. So, again, if you make money in the past few months, the past year, being funded, then well and good. But nevertheless, don't depend on it as if that is permanent. Tandaan nyo guys, eventually, these prop firms, mag-shutdown sila, and then suddenly, after a few months, mag-open sila in different name. Who knows, di ba? So again, it's all about accumulation of service fees, this funding challenge fees, and subscription fees na makuha nila from those 90% na mag-fail saan? Dun sa una, second, third, fourth, fifth tries bago maging funded trader and get a hold of that funded trading account. And the third and last reason, okay, is, again, sabi nga, numbers don't lie. Success rate in this funded challenges and prop firm engagement is simply very low. Okay, less than 10 or 5%. So come to think of it, if ikaw is winork out mo na lang yung maliit mo account, okay, don't get me wrong guys, okay, being a funded trader also have a benefit. On a positive note, don't get me wrong, may benefits naman tong pagiging funded trader. Una, sabi ko nga, syempre magkakaroon ka ng malaking account for you to have a higher profit in return. So pangalawa is, the prop firms helps you become a risk manager. Ibig sabihin, it helps you build that discipline, and also managing risk well. Okay, so meron mga advantages naman yan, but nevertheless, nothing is permanent. Okay, eventually, pag nag-shutdown yon, lahat ng pinaghirapan mo, lahat ng binayad mo, mawawala. Okay, so in short, you're going again back to zero. Kaya nga sabi ko guys, it is better for you now to work out on your small account even as little as $100, compound it, learn from it. All the skills na pwedeng matutunan is always starting from that $100 na meron ka. Okay? I started on $100. If I can do it, you can do it. Okay? So, I started $100 and of course, hindi lang naman $100 yun. It accumulated to many losses, but again, I have learned my lesson. Okay? I have learned a lot of skills. It helped me develop my patience, my discipline, risk management skills, and all these things na alam ko is what molded me dahil dun sa $100 na yun. Because I stick with it. I don't depend on having a huge capital agad from the start. So, it's all about the starting point. You may start small, but then again, use that as your inspiration para mag-succeed dito. Okay? Remember all those times na nag-struggle ka from the small account. So, sabi nga, if you cannot handle your small account, definitely, kahit 1,000,000 pa agad yung initial capital mo, susunugin mo lang yan. Okay? So, again, for me, this is just based on my opinion, just a disclaimer. Okay? I'm not trying to discourage, encourage. No, I'm just neutral, but again, based on my opinion, okay, these challenges are just plain nonsense. Work on your own capital, help it grow, compound it, as long as you're learning every step of the way. Okay? So, don't always fall on the instant, like making money fast. Okay? Making money easy. Okay? And ano pa? And yung greed ang lalong magpapalubog sa inyo, guys. Tandaan nyo, that is why you always want to make it to a point na whatever you're earning now, be grateful, okay? And work on it and try to make more other streams of income, hindi lang sa trading, okay? So, maging maging diverse when it comes to your finances, okay? You can invest onto a certain field, okay? But ang importante dito is, okay, huwag nyo lagi isipin na lahat ng bagay ay makuha nyo in an instant, okay? Because these things, these firms are taking advantage of your weakness, which is yung greed, okay? So, kaya huwag kayong ma-hype sa mga nagpapakita sa social media. With all these things happening, di ba? So, kaya kailangan maging smart kayo. At the same time, always, no, work on yourself, okay? Work on providing education for yourself. Mag-invest kayo sa knowledge. More than itong mga easy money-making schemes, get-rich-quick schemes, okay? So, again, hindi ko naman nilalahat. At the same time, I do respect all those people na nagbibigay ng mga services na yan. Some of them are really legitimate naman. So, I'm just speaking on behalf dun sa mga normal people na nagsisimula na talagang really, most of them, kung hindi na scam, naubos yung kanilang mga savings because they don't do their own homework na mag-aral muna, okay? The first thing you can do para mag-succeed sa isang bagay is mag-invest ka na aralin yun. Okay? Maraming resources now. May mga free resources naman. Okay? That's why I'm giving free education sa YouTube. But again, some people really want to make it a lifetime living. Okay? They want to make it full-time. Kaya ako nag-offer ng mga mentorship services. So, don't get me wrong. I'm not being hypocrite na bakit pa ako nagtuturo, kumikita naman ako sa trading. Again, it's my passion to teach people. Okay? Mag-reflect naman yan. Kita nyo naman yan sa mga videos ko. Okay? So, again, wag nyo akong ikumpara dun sa mga ibang channels na puro hype lang ginagawa. At the same time, bebentahan kayo ng mga ng iba't ibang mga produkto, this and that. And eventually, okay, pagkakausapan nyo na is hindi na kayo re-replyan. Okay, yun yung pinakamahirap. Yun yung pinakamasakit sa mga kliyente nyo. Okay? Ako sa mga estudyante ko, again, as much as possible, kahit hindi ko estudyante, nire-replyan ko yan sa YouTube, sa social media, Facebook, okay? Because I want to bring value sa mga tao kahit wala akong nakuha sa kanila. Bakit? It's all about the recognition at the same time, the contribution dun sa community. It's not just about money, guys. Hindi maintindihan yun ng mga taong makikitid ng utak nakakala is all about money. Yeah, money is very important sa lahat. But tandaan nyo, hindi lahat umigot sa pera. Okay? Nandyan yung reputation. Okay? Nandyan yung character. Okay? At nandyan yung pagiging humble nyo. Whatever, kung saan man yung narating nyo, guys. I always want to provide value sa mga audiences. So, this is just a short video on just my opinion on these funded challenges and prop firm in general. So, again, okay, magalit sa akin, lalo ng mga fund trader. I do respect all of you guys. Again, it's all my opinion. So, again, that will be it for today. God bless and see you all on the next videos. Bye-bye.
So, I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP Champion Student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs. And some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So, here we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So, yeah, this is just a minor announcement and hopefully guys, you can join us and make this community grow, lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright guys, so mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profit from the market. But as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright guys, so that would be it. So yun lang, and thank you very much. Alright, bye-bye.